Hello everyone, this is what I built today, a MeshTastic repeater node, a solar repeater node. It uses a Heltec V3 connected to a 2000 mAh battery through the inbuilt battery management port. The great thing about this setup is that the node powers off automatically when the battery voltage drops and powers back on by itself when the voltage is back up. The 2000 mAh battery has a built-in BMS and it charges via the Heltec USB port. The USB port is connected to a Keep Alive 10,000 mAh power bank, and you can see there is a battery management chip on the 2000 mAh battery, and that's the power bank that I'm using. It is 10,000 mAh, and this power bank is further connected to a Waveshare MPPT controller, which houses three 18650 batteries totaling up to 9000 mAh. These 18650 batteries are charged by my solar panel. I have not connected them right now. I'll be connecting them later when my panel arrives. It is on the way, should arrive by today evening. So if you see, we have total 2000 mAh from the node battery, 10,000 mAh from the power bank, and 9000 mAh from the Waveshare MPPT controller, making it total 21,000 mAh overall. I think the capacity should be sufficient to keep the node running about a week or even longer. So you can here see that the Waveshare battery is completely has died. It's dead. So it has stopped charging the USB, but the node is still on, thanks to the power bank. The entire setup is going into a 4-inch PVC pipe with end caps to make it weatherproof. And for weather, and here I think I may be adding some silicone later, but for now, waterproof duct tape should do the job. And now this is completely ready and completely waterproof, and it's going to be mounted high, ensuring excellent coverage. This is the solution I have come up with, robust solar powered MeshTastic repeater node that is fully functional, off grid, and weatherproof. So let me know your thoughts if you have any suggestions for improvements. Thanks for watching.